Soapbox is going to be a regular feature from ITSMTV each month from now on. This involves us giving the floor to anyone with an opinion on any ITSM matter, within reason of course. If you would like to do this, please contact us with an indication of what you want to talk about. This month we give the floor to Matthew Burrows, MD of BSM Impact. Matthew is a well-known figure in the industry, closely involved with ITSMF and the recent PRISM scheme. Matthew's topic is IT part of the business or just a supplier? And his words and views expressed are his own.
I often hear lots of debate about whether IT should be in a customer-supplier relationship, viewed as a service provider or as an integral part of the business. You rarely hear HR, marketing or finance having the same debate and talking about business alignment. With technology arguably becoming much more business critical and closer to the end customer, is IT the victim of injustice or just super bad at PR? Regardless of whether we're an internal IT department or an outsourced managed service provider, it could be argued that we're all service providers in a generic sense. But I don't think this is the main issue. It's more about what behaviour this drives in those providing and consuming the services. The service provider relationship can stop us recognising how those services support the end customer and the overall business objectives. There is a need to understand how we're viewed by others. However, shouldn't we all be striving for a customer-centric, service-orientated culture and operating model? Recognising that if our end customers don't want our products and services, there is no revenue, no company, and no job. I'm not saying that we can afford the overhead of everyone constantly doing the techie to business translation, but we need to acknowledge and understand the wider context. Even if the service provider relationship is totally appropriate for our circumstances, the relationship will be stronger if we can put what we do in context. So let's ignore the words that don't match with the relationship and behaviour we want. If we want to be seen as an integral part of the business, let's stop using the term customer or the business to refer to our colleagues.